Magandang umaga sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back to render public service in the field of law, more particularly to share our little knowledge on Philippine laws. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 of Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. The topic, well, last night, while we were having a class in a law school, yung may nag-message. Nakatanggap kami ng mensahe mula sa also an eagle, a kuya. And this is his query. Okay, ang sabi niya, public document ba ang bylaws ng Homeowners Association saka itong board resolution ng aming Homeowners Association? Okay, public document nga ba? Okay, yung bylaws. Okay, yung bylaws. Unahin natin yung bylaws. Yung bylaws of the Homeowners Association is a public document. Why a public document? Because it is acknowledged before a notary public and of course submitted to the concerned government agency. Itong the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. Ang registration kasi ng mga Homeowners Association hindi sa Securities and Exchange Commission, kung doon na sa DSOD yung binanggit ko kanina. Public document nga kasi ulitin ko, i-acknowledge before a notary public. So what if it is a public document? Now, since it is a public document, that document is presumed to have been validly executed, and its due execution and genuineness is presumed by law. Yun yung pagkakaiba. Kasi public document. Kung private document, walang ganong presumption, right? Now, entitled ba ang mga miyembro ng Homeowners Association ng kopya ng bylaws? Natural. Bakit entitled? Para malaman ng miyembro itong kanilang Homeowners Association. Ano ba talaga ang purpose nitong Homeowners Association? Sino ba ang mga seat of officers? Hindi yung pangalan ng officer, kung hindi, ano-ano ba ang mga opisyal nila? President, etc., Vice President, Corporate Secretary, na membro ng Board of Directors, etc. Nakalagay. At nakasulat din doon, ano ang mga tungkulin ng mga opisyalis na to? At hindi lang, nakasulat din, nakasaad din in the bylaws what are the duties or responsibilities or obligations of all members of the Homeowners Association. Alright, kaya importante talaga na bawat miyembro ng Homeowners Association merong kopya. So bawat miyembro isang bahay, isang kopya. Right, para alam nila, ito pala yung tungkulin natin. Ito pala yung karapatan natin. Right. But how about the board resolution of the Board of Directors? Is it a public document? Ang tanong lang, is it acknowledged? Is it acknowledged before a notary public? If the answer is no, if it is not notarized, then the board resolution is a mere private document. Hindi yan public document. But the next question is that, are the homeowners entitled to a copy of the resolution? Not necessarily. But the homeowners have the right to inspect the board resolution. Inspection, basahin nila. And of course, they can rightfully demand a copy of the resolution. Sobrang dami, hindi, pakopya na lang. Right? So, sana nakatulong na naman itong Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 para sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Kuya, nasagot kita ng maayos kagabi. Message lang, text lang kasi mahirap. Meron tayong klase sa isang college of law. Saan? Sa Laguna. Di banggitin ko na yung pangalan para naman may kalat naman. San Pablo Colleges, College of Law in San Pablo City, Laguna, kung saan itong inyong lingkod naimbitahan din namang magturo sa kanilang eskwelahan sa remedial law review ng eskwelahan na ito, na sana makatulong din kami para maraming papasa, maraming maging abogado sa eskwelahan ito. Okay, so maraming salamat. Magandang umaga.